Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Matic video update. And Matic seems like it doesn't want to even go down at all, go for the retest, give an entry or anything. It's just bullish and that's it, never even came down to actually give an entry, just never came down, just came a little bit down here, never touched the line to go higher, right? And that's really bad. That sucks, right? That's crap. Now the thing is, there's a technical target for Matic, by the way, and that actually the technical target of Matic is up here to 0.18 or sorry 0.81, and that is the cup and handle technical target. So as far as I see things, it might be actually interested to actually go there and then finally dump to the downside. Okay, so if the momentum continues higher, then we're going to see this one actually moving even way more higher. Just want to dive into the 1 hour time frame as well and see what we're about to do right over here. So yep, you've been moving impulsively, so it's still an uptrend, go up, came down, go up, come down like this, and maybe just continue higher a little bit more, and then boom, from there find resistance or maybe make a head and shoulder, whatever, and then from there we're actually going to start to move to the downside. It has been overbought. I don't even like the idea of buying Matic at the moment. Really shoot to the moon, really overbought. Okay, and I don't think it's something that I want to touch. And it's something that I wouldn't recommend anyone to touch at the moment, because the fire has been really burning, and I think it's time very soon enough to cool off, and you could be on the verge of making a bull flag on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see it's gonna take you where maybe nearly that price target right over there, and touch this line and then find resistance, get rejected, start to actually retrace down, and maybe finally come down to this line that you never really retested and go down there, find a big support down at the 0.6 level. Maybe could be a nice entry opportunity, and bounce off here and start moving up again. And that's it for this quick update on Matic. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.